Hey guys, and welcome back to Natural Beauty with Clarissa. If you're new here, my name is Clarissa, and today we're going to be talking about the 3 types of hair porosities and how to take care of your type hair. If you like the content, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and put on your post notifications for new videos. So let's get into it. So the first porosity we're going to be talking about is high porosity. And when you have high porosity, your hair tends to be so dry. And it's not just dry, it's frizzy, it breaks fast, it doesn't hold moisture, and you need protein. If you were to take the porosity test, your hair would sink to the bottom of the glass and it would look something like this. That's because the cuticles on your hair is raised. And as soon as you get the moisture inside of your hair, it quickly goes out. And this is a picture of what your hair cuticle looks like when it's open. Your type of hair would do good with oils and butters. And you can use butters like shea butter and tucumma butter. And you can also use oils like jojoba oil, olive oil, grapeseed oil, coconut oil, and hemp oil. And these oils will help seal in the moisture in your hair. And you also want to use a heat protectant when you're applying heat to your hair. And also when you're washing and conditioning your hair, you always want to use warm water. You don't want to use hot water and you don't want to use cold water. Next, let's talk about medium porosity hair. If you have medium porosity hair, your hair is easy to style, it retains moisture, it looks well, it colors well, it shines, and it's nice and healthy. If you were to take the porosity test, your hair would kind of stay in the middle of the glass and it would look something like this. This is because you have the perfect balanced cuticle, and your cuticle on your hair is neither too open and it's not too closed. So it's perfect and it looks something like this. In other words, whatever product you put in your hair, it's going to do good. You're always going to have healthy, shiny hair. You're living your best hair life. But don't get too excited yet, because you can actually change the porosity of your hair by chemicals and by heat damage. So make sure you are applying your protective products in your hair before putting chemicals and putting heat to your hair, because you can change the porosity to either high porosity or low porosity because you've damaged the cuticle. So be careful. So last but not least, we're going to talk about low porosity. If you have low porosity, your hair takes a long time to dry, it takes a long time to saturate with water, and the product seems to sit on your hair instead of being absorbed into your hair. If you took the porosity test, your hair would float on the top of the water in the glass and look something like this. And that's because your cuticle is closed and it looks like this. Because you have low porosity hair, your best friend will be steam and heat. Because steam and heat will allow your product to absorb into the hair, because your cuticle will be open and the product will go right into your hair. Since you have low porosity hair, you want to stay away from a lot of protein. It's okay to use sometime, but you don't want to use it often. Apply your products to your hair after taking a shower or after steaming your hair. You want to wash your hair at least 2 times a week, because this will get rid of the buildup that's on your hair, and it will also allow your hair to get a second chance to be moisturized during the week. You want to use products with glycerin and honey, because they are humectants and they pull moisture from the air and they put it into your hair. You want to also use oils like jojoba oil, coconut oil, grapeseed oil. You want to always use clarifying products as well. I hope I was able to go into more depth about hair porosity and was able to answer you guys' questions. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! you.